Welcome to Factorising using PSF. This is the first video for PSF. So for a quadratic that's in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, the PSF stands for, P stands for product, that's the a times the c. The s stands for sum, which is the b, and the f stands for factors, which are the two numbers that multiply to get P and add to get S. So for this first set, we're only going to look at when A is 1, which is called monic quadratic. So you'll notice in each of these cases, the value in front of the squared, the coefficient with the square, is a 1. So we're just going to look at the very basics of factorising with using PSF. So for our first one, m squared plus 5m plus 4. So the P is the 1 out the front of the m squared times the 4 at the end, which is 4, and the sum is the value in the middle, so the 5. That means that we need two numbers that multiply to give 4 and add to give 5, so that's 4 and 1. And what we do with these is we split the middle term. So we get m squared plus 4m plus m plus 4. So that 4 and 1, the factors, that splits that middle term into 4 and 1, 4m's and 1m's. Now we use the factorising using 4 terms. So we take the common factor out of the front 2 terms and the common factor out of the back 2 terms. That gives us the solution m plus 4, m plus 1. Now you know once again if you've done the correct factors is if you end up with the same 2 brackets, the same when you use the 4 term. Factorising y squared plus 7y plus 12. So the product is 12, the sum is 7. Two numbers that multiply to get 12 that add to give 7. Well, we have 1 and 12, 6 and 2, 4 and 3. And 4 and 3 makes 7. So that means that we split that middle term, that 7y, up into 4y and 3y. Using our 4 terms, y outside of y plus 4 and 3 outside of y plus 4, giving us y plus 4 and y plus 3 as our solutions. A little bit harder. So our product in this case is -6 and our sum is -1. So two numbers that multiply to get -6 that add to get -1. That is -3 times 2. Because -3 times 2 is -6 and -3 plus 2 is -1. So once again, those factors in blue are what I split that middle term, the -n. I split that up into -3n plus 2n, take out the common factors because it's 4 terms, and end up with n minus 3, n plus 2. Thank you.